everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the sound not working issue in Halo Campaign Evolved on your PC. If you have no audio, missing sound effects, or no sound at all while playing the game, these solutions should help restore your audio. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Then open Sound. In the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default playback device. If they aren't, select your audio device and click Set Default. Launch the game and check if the sound is working. Solution 2. If the issue continues, right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not set to the lowest level and that the device is not muted. Once you've confirmed the settings, click Apply, then OK. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Change the default format to either 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. After making the changes, click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and see if the issue has been resolved. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Then click Apply and OK. Launch the game again and check if the audio has returned. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to search for and install the latest available audio driver. Solution 6. If updating the driver didn't help, go back to the Driver tab. Click Update Driver again. This time, select Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver from the list. Click Next and wait for Windows to install it. When the installation is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. Solution 7. If the sound still isn't working, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest graphics driver available. After the update is complete, restart your PC. Solution 8. If your computer uses an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Launch the application. Open the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new graphics driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch Halo Campaign Evolved and check if the sound is working correctly. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix the sound not working issue in Halo Campaign Evolved on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Halo Campaign Evolved tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.